Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you the 1-minute habit that can completely flush your body of the toxins. New research has discovered to be the root cause of diabetes. Yes, it only takes 60 seconds and the system provides you with 21 days of 60-second habits. What is the Halki Diabetes Remedy program about? New research has found that type 2 diabetes is not caused by what you eat. Instead, studies have discovered that type 2 diabetes is caused by the toxins that you're subjected to each and every day. What's more important is that, although it's impossible to avoid the toxins that are causing so many diseases and illnesses today, Halki Diabetes Remedy is a comprehensive system that teaches you the nutritional steps to flushing your body of the toxins that new research has discovered to be the root cause of type 2 diabetes. However, it doesn't just set you up with a 21-day meal plan and send you on your way. The program comes as one ebook which includes 1 valuable information that teaches you the root cause of diabetes, 2 diabetes reversing charts, 3 recipes, 4 to 21-day meal plan. Let's take a look at some of the bonus programs you receive for absolutely free. Bonus 1 Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide. Bonus 3 Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 4 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus 5 Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus 6 10 videos for Achieve Your Goals. And it's providing you 60-day money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied. Click link in description for discount and plus bonuses. Nothing to lose. Thanks for watching Halki Diabetes Remedy Review.